Here, please. So he's had this tension on the left side of his body, so we did a clavicle adjustment. You can't really hear this, and he loves it, by the way. Oh. And the reason why we're doing this is because there's so much tension on this side of the body. We're trying to loosen up the clavicle so that it has less pressure on the neck. Yeah, he loves that. Oh. We'll also do an occiput adjustment on him, which is a much more difficult adjustment. It's actually above the atlas. We just started on that lately because we're trying to loosen up this TMJ. Occiput adjustment, you go above the mastoid, behind the ear right here. The hard part about this adjustment is the angle of attack. When you adjust that, you have to actually adjust down into the body, not across the body, because there are occipital condyles that are round and they need to be adjusted into the roundness, not across the joint. And when he has a slippery neck, it's hard to get hold of it here. Good. Good.